Hello friends, many had been asking me to make a video on how to make fuse for crackers. Here I will be using tissue paper in combination with matchstick to make fuse. With 4 matchstick, 1 fuse can be made. Fuse is a safety material which slows down the burning time of cracker. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.